Hello everybody. Today I'm discussing one of the important topic for JEE mains, that is quadratic equations. In fact, not only quadratic equation, I concentrate on solving equations. So let us discuss different kind of problems. In each problem, we'll give you some message to you. Some misconceptions will be cleared through each and every problem. So I collected few such problems. I'm going to discuss those problems. First question, find the number of solutions to the equation x power root x equal to root of x power x. Here, generally, how everybody will do, x power root x is x power half. We write root x as x by 2. Then what we do is 2 root x is x. Somebody, they cancel root x and they will write x equal to 4 as solution. But here, what is one mistake here? There are two different mistakes. One mistake is, once you assume this, concluding straight away b equal to c is a mistake. And another mistake is, AB equal to AC implies B equal to C. If you conclude this, it is another mistake. So, then what is correct regarding to statement 1? A power B equal to A power C implies for A not equal to this. Question arises, why such exceptions? What happens to this statement if A is 1? A is 1, like 1 square equal to 1 cube. So that is A power B equal to A power C satisfies. But B and C are different. They are not equal. 2 and 3 are not equal. So that is why 1 is an exception. Similarly, if you take A as minus 1 power 4, both are 1. A power B is A power C, but 2 and 4 are different. They are not equal. Similarly, if you take A as 0, then this statement, if you consider, both are zeros. But B is 2, C is 3, where B and C are not equal. That is why we have these exceptions. So here in this, since base x power root x is x power x power half, which is x power x squared. So before concluding, powers are equal, we should assume that base x is not equal to -1, 0. Once x is not -1, 0, 1, I can conclude this. 2 root x is x. Till here it is okay. Again, the second statement. Second statement here is AB equal to AC implies if you conclude this, I told it is wrong statement. Why wrong means if you take A as 0, so both are zeros, but 10 and 100 are not equal. So this statement is correct, provided A not equal to 0. That means simply cancellation is allowed if A not equal to 0. Otherwise, if you cancel, we get a wrong conclusions like 10 equal to 100. 2 root x is x. Don't cancel x because x can be 0. So what you have to do is take x to the left side, take root x common, right, is equal to 0. So here root x 0 or this is very important, not end. So one of them is 0, product can be 0. From here, x is 0 or root x is 2. So here, from here x is 4. In the beginning itself, we assumed that while equating powers, x is different from 0, 1, -1. So the conclusion is x equal to 4 is one solution. Now question is, we discussed the problem with respect to the condition. What happens if x is 0, 1, -1? Let us discuss case wise. If x is -1, root x, root -1 is not defined. If x is 0, x power root x, which is 0 power 0, is also not defined. If x is 1, the given equation obviously satisfies since 1 equal to 1. Therefore, solutions are 1 and 4. Number of solutions are 2. That is the answer for this one. Seems to be simple. Exceptions will be there. before cancellation, before equating the powers, once bases are equal, you must be careful. That is what the message this problem gives. Second question, through each problem, so you can overcome one misconception. Number of solutions to the equation x minus 2 by x minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 by x. Generally, what we do is LHS 2 by x minus 1, RHS 2 by x minus 1. So given problem, I am rewriting. Generally, what we do is we cancel it. You can cancel numbers. You can cancel minus ones. Canceling infinities is a problematic. So defined one you can cancel. So here cancelling this is problematic. If x is not equal to 1, cancellation is allowed because 2 by x minus 1 is defined. But unfortunately, after cancelling, we get x equal to. We assumed x not equal to 1x, which is a contradiction. Right? So x equal to 1, not defined. X not equal to 1, we are getting contradiction. So hence, in any case, there is no solution. Number of solutions are 0. Number of solutions to the equation x square minus 5x plus 5 x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 1. So here also the same logic we have to use what I discussed in the first question. X square minus 5x plus 5 power 4x minus 60. One I can write here. It is of the format. This is possible. I already mentioned this. So assuming not equal to 1, not equal to 1, 0, minus 1, you can equate this 0. From here, you simplify this to get x into x plus 10 minus 6 into. So from here you get x is either 6 or minus 10. At the same time, you have to substitute these values here. 36 minus 5 into 6, 30 plus 5. 41 minus, should see that they should be different from 10 minus 1. If at all sum of the answer equal to 1, that x value you have to remove. But here, if you check this way, you will find that either 6 nor minus 10, which satisfies this. Therefore, we have to consider both the solutions. So till now we have two solutions. We can't say that these are the final solutions. The leftover case, what happens if it is equal to 10 minus 1? If x square minus 5x plus 5 is 1, that is you have x minus 1 into x minus 4. You get another two solutions, right? So these are the final solutions, or still we have any other solutions? We have, let us observe by considering other two cases. If x square minus 5x plus 5 is minus 1, that is x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, which implies x equal to 2 comma 3. Given equation, x square minus 5x plus 6 whole power 4x minus 60 must be. That is minus 1 power. So minus 1 power even becomes 1. So available values are 2 comma 3. If x is 2, 4 plus 8 minus 60 minus 48, which is even integer. Hence 2 is a solution. If x equal to 3, x square plus 4x minus 60, 21 minus 60 minus 39, odd integer. So hence 3 cannot be solution. Last case, when base is equal to 0, it becomes 0 power x square plus 4x minus 60 cannot be 1. So no solution. in this case. So now all possible solutions are 6 minus 10, 1, 4, 2. So number of solutions equal to 5.